Hello and welcome to the TBC Millionaire Society. I am your man Cashmere Rich, and I'm super excited to have you here working with me and my team as we move forward toward financial freedom with the Billion Coin. For everybody that's tuning in right now to this, brief little presentation, this is for my United States people. This is for my United States team. We're focused upon the U.S., getting you guys secure with the Billion Coin. I want to say congratulations to all the other countries that's doing their thing with TBC. You guys are doing a great job and keep up the good work. So now we must get the United States on the map with TBC as far as education, as far as trading the coin, as far as working together within this private community. If you're somebody that have TBC already, that is a great thing. We want to get you over here, get you trading, learn how to do this, and so that you can become financially successful. If you're somebody that's not a member of TBC and you're in the United States of America, we want to bring you into the fold, bring you into the family, and show you how it is that we're accumulating wealth and moving forward during this global pandemic. We want to focus upon that. We want to focus upon helping each other within this private community to move forth. Okay, so I want you guys to sit back and relax as I present you to our society and how it is that we earn with this TBC coin. Like I said, if you're somebody that's already a member of TBC, you need to come over here with us, learn how it is to trade it, because we know a lot of people are sitting on top of wallets full of coin, unaware of what to do with it, unaware of the trade process because it was never showed to them. So we're going to show you how to do it when you become a member of our society. We have our own trading platform. We're working with our own private community. Everything is safe and secure over here. There's no TBC discounting. None of that is going on. We're moving within the realm of what the TBC administration has set forth for TBC. So kick back, relax as I show you how it is we're doing this. First and foremost, I want to welcome to the TBC Millionaire Society. This is a United States of America all call. I'm calling all of my TBCians that's in the United States that has not been working with the coin. Come on, get back on the track. Let's make it happen. We're on a mission to create global millionaires and then billionaires within the next 1 to 5 years. Right? We're going to be doing that within the United States. As we all know, the global financial markets have been staggered due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which has had a great impact on incomes. We now see this as a great opportunity to change lives around the world with powerful digital assets such as the Billion Coin, Bitcoin, and other fine currencies, guys, other fine cryptocurrencies. We're just simply people helping people. We're people helping people to thrive. In the year 2008, when Satoshi Nakamoto created one of the first publicly announced cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, and released it in 2009, his mission was clear. Make sure that every household was in possession of this new world digital currency. Today, this day, we see that Bitcoin has now risen to become one of, if not the most powerful form of digital currency in the world. The Billion Coin, who shared the same vision, has now stepped onto the scene and has proven to also be a great source in the acquisition of financial freedom. By simply sharing the mission and the vision of both Satoshi Nakamoto and the TBC administrator, all can succeed in their quest to obtain generational wealth. Once a person is in possession of TBC and Bitcoin, the road to financial freedom can be seen more clearly. Our mission is to provide education along with a safe and secure trading platform to current as well as new members of the TBC community. Now, how do we do this? We simply just go out and grab 5 individuals. How many people are in the TBC community already? We have over 3 million people. So everybody just reach back into the community and find our USA members. Look back and find people that's in Texas, Washington, Illinois, Missouri. Find our TBC members that's sitting dormant and bring them back into the game. Bring them back into the game. Grab just 5 of them at first, and you're going to end up going back getting more. But grab 5 people and bring them back into the fold so we can start trading our TBC more effectively. Okay. Now, the TBC Millionaire Society has a wealth project. We have designed a system, or should I say a strategy, that is going to generate life-changing incomes based upon a simple member-to-member trade formula. That's it. We're trading TBC peer-to-peer on our own platform. Trade TBC for Bitcoin within a safe and secure peer-to-peer community using a powerful, very powerful trade platform. This simple yet powerful strategy has the ability to create wealth within the shortest amount of time, guys. You can create wealth in a short amount of time using this system and this strategy. Although our unique system may be simple to navigate and our strategy simple to conceive and implement, but both has the power to unfold wealth in record-breaking time. And that is super, super exciting, right? Our tradable digital and physical assets. The digital and physical assets that we have been selected to trade with are the following: the Billion Coin, Bitcoin, silver, and gold. So we're going to be trading our TBC for Bitcoin. Then with the Bitcoin we accumulate, we're going to be buying silver and gold. This thing is amazing, guys, once you get in here and start working with us. Now, there are absolutely no banks or exchanges needed here. No bank or exchange needed. We're operating peer to peer. Let's be clear. The Billion Coin and the TBCC Millionaire Society are both private communities. With that being said, it should be also clear that we do not depend upon banks or public exchange in order to trade our digital assets. Instead, we trade member to member, peer to peer. Let's be clear about that. What that means is this: we grab other people, we refer in other people into our community, whether they're already a TBC member or whether they're not. We bring them in and they start trading with us based upon the strategy we have put forth. Peer-to-peer trading. We are a community of like-minded people working together towards each other's success. We trade the Billion Coin amongst ourselves so that we can retain privacy and within the guidelines of the Billion Coin administration. Therefore, there is no need for banks and exchanges. All we need is each other. We're going to learn how to work together. If you're somebody to say, well, I don't like talking to people and I don't want to, be referring people to do, this is not for you. This is for the people that don't mind working with other people. If you don't mind working with other people, you're going to be very, very successful here. Now, here are proven steps to financial freedom. Simple steps that anybody can achieve. As in all successful business ventures, specific set steps to success must be planned out as well as executed. By simply following our simple yet powerful 6-step process below, anyone serious about creating wealth can do so in record-breaking time. How does that happen? If you're a member of the TBC community already, make sure that your $30 to $35 is paid for your Kringle.cash site. You want to be active. If you're new, you're going to be paying your $30 to $35 to activate a Kringle back office, right? Step number 2, join the TBC Code Millionaire Society for only $25 in BTC. That's going to set up your platform. That's going to give you your technical stuff that you need in order to move. Membership tracking, email notifications, everything. You have your full back office over here as a member of the society, okay? The third step is this: complete your first level qualifying trade of $100 BTC for $100 in TBC with your sponsor. You're going to send your sponsor $100 of BTC. They're going to send you $100 of TBC. The reason we do a qualifying trade is so that you can see that your wallet is open and that it's working, and also that your sponsor is able to send in and out of yours. Basically, that's it. Now, we're going to share this great opportunity of wealth with just 5 people. When you come in, find 5 people in the community of 5 million. 3 million, and bring them in. A community of 3 million, you ought to be able to find 5 people ready to start trading their TBC. Step number 5, receive $100 in BTC in qualifying trades from each of your 5 new society members. That's $500 in BTC you get received, and you've sent out $500 of TBC. Do you see where the trading is taking place now? Trade is started. You've started the trade process. Okay. Upgrade into the second level of trading, which is $200. So now your team members are going to follow you and they're going to start trading with you at that particular amount. That is crazy, right? And when you upgrade from the $500 with the 200, that leaves you 300 in BTC. You're already looking really, really good. Let's look at our trade scale so you guys can get a really good idea of this. Moving from the left to the right, these are our trade levels. This is our trade amount, right? Each of these are the trade amounts that we're basing upon, right? Trade assets, we're looking at TBC and Bitcoin right now. Trade associates, we're going to say 5. And you notice it says the same 5 people. So work with the same 5 you got and see how powerful that can be, guys. That is over $1 million that you can make just by trading with 5 people that trade with 5. Okay, trade incomes, this is the income based up off of the people you're trading with. This is your level upgrades into the different trade levels. We have different trade levels, there's 12 of them. Okay, this is what's most important to you: profit. Look at that profit, guys. Profit. This is what you want to see, those trade profits. So moving from the left to the right, let's get started. Let's say, for instance, that you've already did your qualifying trade. It's complete. You've sent your sponsor $100 in TBC. I mean, $100 in Bitcoin, my fault. You've sent your sponsor $100 in Bitcoin. They're going to now send you $100 of TBC. Now you're ready to go. You're active. You can start receiving Bitcoin. So what you're going to do is share with those great 5 people that I mentioned, and they're going to send you $100 in Bitcoin. When they send you 100 in Bitcoin, that's going to give you a total of $500. From the 500, upgrade into the $200 trade level. That's your qualifying trade of 200 for the next level. You're going to bank $300 in Bitcoin. Looking good already, right? You've already started seeing money coming in from your TBC. Now, when they upgrade into the 200 based upon the same principle of a duplication, that's going to give you another $1,000 in. That 200 times the 5 people, that multiplication gives you 1,000. Then you simply pinch off of that and upgrade into the third trade level of 400. That's going to leave you 600 in BTC in the bank. Guys, that's amazing. Now what you're going to do is have your team members duplicate that effort, upgrade it into the 400 trade level. That's going to give you another $2,000, right, in Bitcoin. Upgrade from the 2,000 to the 800. Guys, that's another $1,200 BTC profit. When your team members upgrade into the 800, just like you previously did, that 800 times the 5 people, that's going to give you $4,000. From the 4,000, upgrade into trade level number 5, which is 1,600. That's going to leave you 2,400 in Bitcoin. Wow. When they duplicate that effort, upgrading into level 5 trading for 1,600, time those great 5 people, that's going to give you 8,000. From the 8,000, you're going to upgrade into the 3,200, leaving yourself 4,800 in Bitcoin. See how your TBC is moving now? A lot of people say, how do you trade it? How do you trade it? I would rather do this than to sit around and look at a bank. When your team member upgrades from 30 into the $3,200 trade level, which is level 6, time those great 5 people, that's going to give you 16,000. From the 16,000, upgrade into the 6,400, that's going to give you 9,600 in BTC. If you continue that progression through our 12 levels, let's look at level 12. When you upgrade into the 204,800, when your 5 team members do the same, that's going to give you, guys, look at this. That's going to give you 1,024,000. Guys, that is amazing, right? That's 1 million in. Nothing else is coming out now, nothing else to upgrade into. You're going to take that 1 million and move it over into the positive. When you look at all of your spillover BTC that you've accumulated through trade profits, that gives you a total of $1.6 million in trade. Now you've moved 1.6 million of your TBC just working with 5 people and having those 5 work with 5 that work with 5 that works with 5. We have over 3 million people in our community that's desperate to trade TBC. So you cannot say, well, I can't find anybody to trade with. That is not true, because we have over 3 million members that's desperately looking to trade TBC. Now, the reason why I sort of say that this is something that we do USA, because when when we work with other countries, we know that they don't have that type of access, of money. They always say, well, I don't have the startup and I don't have this. So, we're focused upon the USA right now. We're focused upon the USA all call, bringing all of our USA members into this. We want to make sure that you guys are able to start trading and earning from TBC. Once you're able to do that, we're trading, guys. We're not selling, we're not buying, we're trading one asset for the other asset. Let's be clear about that. When you're trading, that gives you power. That means that I can move my coin safely and securely between the 2 wallets, which is Bitcoin and TBC, without worrying about being scammed, without worrying about these guys coming on talking about they have all of these exchanges and all that. We do not have an exchange except for peer-to-peer amongst ourselves. We do not participate in that foolery. Stop getting scammed, everybody. Please pay attention to what's going on. Make sure that if you're trading peer-to-peer. When someone sends you Bitcoin, you send them TBC. That is a fair change. That is a fair exchange, guys, a fair trade. So I want to make sure that my members are moving forward, moving with power and understanding about what it is that we're doing. We are trading peer-to-peer. We do not have a bank. We do not, nor are we an exchange. The only thing we're doing is trading within our own peer-to-peer community. From the proceeds of those trades, we're buying cars, we're buying everything that we need, taking care of our lives, paying the bills and everything. Okay. So I welcome you in advance to the TBC Code Millionaire Society. Get with your sponsor, and I'll see you on the inside of this great organization. Take care.